Hey, I'm Katie, and this is Live It in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest all your desires. I made a video called Manifest a Boyfriend or Girlfriend to Your Front Door, step-by-step detailed analysis, if you want in-depth details of each step of how I did that. But today, I can share the overall part of it, the short version. What was the core of what I did to manifest a person? The core was that I no longer felt bad about my desire. That's it. And so it showed up. I had said things I wanted in a person for years, and that is all remembered. All the specifics of my desire are known. If I have a desire at all, that means it is meant for me. So that also takes away any doubt about it. So I found a way to not feel bad about my desire anymore. I was always conditioned to think like you need a relationship person, and that I need that to be whole, or happy, or fulfilled, and that I should have one, or should have one by now. But those thoughts just cause suffering, and they prevent it. For me, a breakup happened, and it led me to examining my thoughts, and realizing that is what is causing all my problems, and what is making my desires not happen. I felt bad about my desire. I wanted it, but I felt bad that I didn't have it. I wanted it, but I assigned meaning to things that they said and did, which caused it to end or fall apart. I have a video about that called The Meanings You Give Things Are Ruining Everything, plus my manifesting secret. My manifesting secret is what I personally use to control my mind in everyday situations. I no longer emotionally react. Or if I do for a little while, I can easily just realize it and return to a good state. And I feel confident in me and myself. I can go anywhere or do anything without fear. I know myself, that I'm God, and that all is a projection of me. I see the outside world differently now, like a dreamland screen. Because I'm what is there or remains in each moment at my core. I'm awareness, and that is unaffected by anything. So I learned to not feel bad about my desire, and then it naturally came. Sometimes we meet a person and it feels like we got our manifestation, but then they change or it starts to fall apart. But most likely it's because we started to feel bad about it in some way. Like doubt. Like maybe they aren't a match, and our thought stories took over. I also made a video on thought stories. After so many dates and conversations when trying to date people, we have all this stuff built up, like layers. So we have to remove the layers, mostly just by becoming aware of them, like thought stories. How all is meaningless and we assign meaning. Or how we are conditioned to think that we should have a person by now, and we feel bad that we don't. As you become aware, you become free of suffering. You align with yourself, and what you want happens so fast, easy, and effortless. The only thing preventing your desire is your bad thoughts about it. That's it. Remain stable and calm in each situation. A situation is just a situation. You are assigning the meaning to it. Realize the power of being neutral and seeing the world that way. Is a relationship good or bad? It just is. Both sides, good or bad, about a relationship could be argued. It's good, because I have a person to hold hands with and cuddle with. But it's bad because I have to spend money on dates. So it just is. And from just is means you don't feel bad about it anymore. You don't feel bad that you don't have it anymore. This for me took away all the bad feelings about not having it. And so since I didn't feel bad about not having it, it came. Just because you don't feel bad you don't have it, doesn't mean it won't happen then. It is actually the opposite. It allows it to happen. Your desires are known. The fact that you desire it means it's for you. So removing those layers or bad feelings about your desire, then your desire still remains and is known, because it has always been there. You just have been unknowingly feeling bad about it and didn't know how to fix or improve that. So now you have a way to fix and improve that. My videos on thoughts will help you. So like this video and subscribe and hit the notification button so you're notified when a new video comes out. So how do you manifest a boyfriend or girlfriend, specific person? You stop having bad thoughts about your desire. You become aware what the bad thoughts are, or you just simply become aware that that is what has been preventing them. And once you're aware of them and notice them, they dissolve and you get what you want. Thanks for watching.